Hustle hard in the morning light, shots are ticking through the night. Moe G's got that golden sight, making profits left and right. Candlesticks, the dance we know, green and red like disco flow. Trading all day, don't let go, cash that wave and let it show. Success is calling, don't be late. With Moe G we calibrate, stack that cash like we've got faith. In the market we'll create, buy low, sell high, that's the creed. Day by day we feel the need, victory is guaranteed when you follow Moe G's lead.
All right. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Welcome to another live stream. My name is Moe G, here with TWA Indicators. Let's jump right into it. Just a real quick, I'm not going to go really deep into this, but you can see here we have the game plan for today. And let's see how it plays out for the rest of the day. Right now, let's switch over to our trigger chart. Let's just move this over. All right. Right now we're considered really cheap. Let's see what the open has to bring. Keep this up and going. So welcome everybody. Welcome to the live stream. Please make sure you click that like button. Got some cool things for you today. Today we're gonna go through again. We have the challenge going from combine to XFA to live. That's going to be the challenge we're on together today. As you can see here, that's in the wrong count. There you go. We are, here it is. Let's take a look at this. This is where we've been so far. Boom. We're looking at an 80% win rate right now. You know, $84 per trade. We did get better at longer trades. Hopefully we can find a long one today and see if we can get to that funding goal. Right now we are about 10% on the way there. We're at 328 out of 3,000. And remember, this is no bolo trades. This is just strict trading. See how long it'll take us, what we need to fix along the way. And don't forget, after every trading session I do a post-trading view. I do it twice. I do one for indicator access people only, that we can go in depth on what I saw and why, and then on YouTube I will go over my thoughts and everything, mindset and everything like that. So till then, let's wait till open. If anybody has any questions or anything, you want to put them in the comments, you can do it right now. This is literally setting up to be a short day. If you could see the top here in the algo dashboard, you have short. Don't worry about this middle one. I'll have the tech people take that out soon. And then session controls, bearish and reversal. So we had a huge dump. And remember what I said yesterday, these two blue lines is the range we've been in for the past week. You know, April's almost over. Let's see if we break out of it and find some nice trades along the way. All right. And then what's cool is, if you're a member, please like here, comment here, because you'll hear my setups here. But also Cloud is running the Discord at the same time as this live, and he's going to be checking in later on We're going to check in with him to see how people did, how many points the community has from TWA Indicators. So we're doing both. One, we're showing everybody these indicators. Oh, we got a buy sign. Hold on. I got to stop talking. Excuse me. Price is way too cheap. Let's see. We got a buy sign. Here. Hold on. We still have a red TPO. Hold on, everyone. I'm about to go long here. So, do I like go long here? I might have been a little late on it from talking. Nope, don't like it. I'm a little late. I had 1, 2, 3 things go in our direction for it. I was talking, so I wasn't really on it. So I'll let this one fly. Congratulations to all those who did take it. All right, let's do a quick check-in with Cloud to see how Discord is doing today so far. Let's check in with Cloud. Hey Cloud, can you hear me? He's on mute right now. He's probably on trade. Let's see. Once he's on, we'll get him on here. We'll do a little live check-in with Cloud on the Discord side. This is almost like a little ESPN thing where I'm showing you live trades here. You know, again, regular person just doing calm trading. But also we have a community of traders who are trading on Discord. So all right, it's hot here today. I'm gonna take off the switcher. Oof. Open the window a little bit. Get this thing started. That was a very good long entry there I missed while talking, but it's all good. Just make sure everything's set up. Make sure my setup here, liquidate, unrealized, perfect. 2, 4, perfect. Going for a 2 to 1. Let's see what's happening here. Change this. Okay, yeah. And we are open. Here we go. Let's see. All right. We got a signal for a short. However, context-wise, we're extremely cheap. So if you entered the short, just be careful. Let's move this up a little bit. I like the shorts today. I really do. But let's see if we bounce off of this blue area. This is what I'm looking at right here. This blue area here. What can we do here? Will the bears take it? Or the bull's gonna step in and fight for this area here. Let's go with this one. All right. Ooh, that's a nice little long bounce. I like that. God, I like that a lot. We're not really moving for the open. I'm going to go in 3, 2. No, I hesitated. I absolutely hesitated. So let's see. Why did I hesitate? Hesitated because we are are extremely bearish at present time. Bearish, bearish, bearish. Okay, let me look at some analysis. Let me do every day. Yeah. Yeah, so far everything is bearish on my analysis side. So I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait it out. I'm gonna take a short here. I'm gonna take a stab at a short. I'm in short. Let's see. Let's go. All right, there we go. 7 points, 8 points, 10 points. It's coming back on me. No, this one's gonna take me out. Ooh, that was close. That was close. Let's see. Okay, I'm not gonna let that happen again. 10 points, 7 points. All right. Going to break even. I don't like the way this is moving right now. Okay, let's see if I can get the 40 points. Here we go. Right now, we hit 20 points. Let's put this into a little bit of a profit. There we go. Okay. At worst, I get 17. We got a Gabby button at the same time. Let's see if I can get these 40 points. Okay, let's go here. Can I get it in time though? Here. Okay, there we go. Risk free. Let me move this down. We got 1 micro still running. I'm getting this out of the way. See how far we can take it. Let's go with the shorts. We were almost taken out of that one. Almost taken out. We got a sell sign here. Let me just move this up so you can see. You got a sell sign. Hopefully right now this runner is paid for. It's up about 40 points ish. So let's see. I'm gonna move this sucker down. So this is that area where, I'm gonna move it down to 120. I'll go to $300. See if we can get 150 points on this drop. If not, then I will move my stop accordingly. There we go. First trade out of the gate. Let's go. Let's go, man. Let's go. TP1 hit. Let's go Bears, baby. Let's go. All right, so this trade's up 50 points or so. 1 micro. Started with 5. Took a bunch off at around 30 something points. 27 points probably. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go. What's the ATR? ATR is 20. Breaking below this. Let's see if it wants to continue. IVD's red. Let me see about TPO. TPO's red. Okay, let's see. Let's see if it wants to make a new session low. I'm gonna secure $30 in this trade, so it could be even 300 on the day. Yeah, that's fine. All right, here we go. Where are we at now? Okay, we're heading towards that 100-point area. Once it hits 100 points, I'm gonna move my stop to 50. I'm gonna secure 50 points. Here we go. Here we go. There you go. There's 100 points. It's 100 points. I'll move this up. I'll move it up to here for now. I'm actually going to move this down. Just get it out of the way. Just get it out of the way. I'm going to secure 50 points. 50 points secured. Let's go. Let's see. Everything is still red on my screen, so we still got plenty of room. Plenty of room. Plenty of room here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Bears. Once we reach 150, I'm going to secure 100 points. Give myself a 50-point cushion. That's 2 ATRs. Let's see. Stop there. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's coming back. Okay, see if we can secured 50 points, so that's another $100 secured. So hopefully that's enough room. We will see. We shall see if this is actually enough room. Let's see. This is a good trade. So far, everything on my analysis still says bearish for now. Let's see if the trigger chart will flip back to bearish. Seems to be a sticking point here. See if the bears can beat out these bulls here. Let's see, come on. Bulls are pushing hard here. Really pushing hard here. It's 110. Let's see which way we want to go. Let's see. Okay, bulls are coming in. It's probably gonna take us out at 50 points. But this was a great trade. Absolute great trade. So here comes the bullish volume. Yep, and we're about to get tagged out. That's fine. This runner's about to get tagged out. It's a good opportunity for a long here, but this runner's about to be tagged out. That's okay. There we go. There we go. Boom, out of 50 points. That is $377 day. One trade, $300. That's how you do it. All right, let's see. Whew. Oh man, that was awesome. Awesome trade. Awesome trade. I got it here. That went for 100 points, but I took 50 out of the 100 for the runner. Let's check in now. Let's check in with the Discord to see how they're doing. Let's see. Let me get Cloud on the line here. Hey Cloud, what's up?
What's up, man?
All right, so just checking in on the Discord. How we doing so far?
I tried a long. It's working out a little bit. Trying to see if I can hold on to it before the new 4 hour.
Nice. You're still in it?
Yeah.
Nice. I took that short um, off of the Gabby sell button and sign. Um, the runner got taken out at 50 points, but reached up to 120. So it looks like it's going to be a one and done day for me.
Hey, that's nice.
Yeah. I'm going to see what happens at 10, if any new signals happen. I'm looking short right now. And if anything changes, I'll let everybody know. All right, Cloud, just let me know. I'll check in towards the end of the stream. Let me know how people did on points and everything. Cool?
All right.
All right, guys. All right, so that was Cloud, one of the probably best traders I've ever met. He's now running the Discord, giving insight and real signals for our Discord members, indicator members. So he's a good dude and a awesome trader. So right now, as you guys heard, I'm waiting for another short opportunity. I'm going to wait till 10 o'clock. So I'm going to do the right thing. And what time is it? 5 minutes. So let's do a custom. I'm going to wait till 10 a.m. This is what I love for the power of till 10 a.m. This is what I love about TopStep X. You can lock yourself out. This way it can help with your, look, we got a sell signal, but I'm not touching anything till 10 a.m. So I'm not even gonna look at that trigger chart because yes, there's another short opportunity, but I'm gonna wait till 10. I'm gonna lower my risk to 3 micros, and that's it. That's all I'm doing right now. Let me just post this stuff in the free chat. So if you're on the free chat, you can check in on YouTube every day for live trading, how these indicators are helping a trader like me get from Combine to XFA to we're trying to go all the way to live funded, right? So that's where we're trying to get to, and we're going to use these tools to help us get there, to help with our emotions and everything else. And also we have a community of traders that we trade together. You could talk to live, get live signals on the Discord. You can go to the link in the bio to get to the Discord, and if you do sign up for indicators, just put a little memo Moe sent you. Greatly appreciated. So now let's see. Let's take a picture of that bad boy. Taking it. Now I'm taking a break. I'm taking a breather. 5 minutes lockout period. I'm gonna look for one more opportunity, if there is one. If I don't see one, I'll be locking out. Today was a very clean open. Kind of saw it from 9:30 from here. Like once this was actually the beginning of the move down, right? Then it came back, and then you had the longer move. Now it's coming back, and you're gonna hopefully have another move. if it stays under this blue line. If it breaks above it, then the longs are in play, and we can that might be a longer trade. That might be a longer trade today. Checked in with Cloud. He's in a long. He's trying to hold it to see how long they can get it. And at the end of the stream, we're going to check back in with the Discord group, see how many points people racked up today. All right. Yeah, so please remember to like this. Drop some likes. Be greatly appreciated. All right, there you go. See the other leg coming down. Still got 2 minutes. Nothing is missed. Because context-wise, we're so super cheap. I'd rather just wait for a new one. We're making new lows. I don't want to enter in while we're making new lows. The best spot was when that sell button came again. You can see it on the screen right here. But I had just finished a trade, and it would be foolish to finish a trade and jump right back in. For me, I'm going to let some time pass. Alright, wow, it's really coming down now. That's okay. Let it happen. Let it happen to the new 4 hour. Let's see if we can find another entry in. Less risk. Okay, let's see. New 4 hours should be popping up in about 45 seconds. There we go. Alright, let me know in the chat how many of you actually use the TWA tools. Actually, let me know in the chat how many of you would use the tools right now. Yeah. Okay, here we go. New 4 hour. I want that price to shoot up to that gray expensive box or the money zone, even better, and then turn back down. I mean, this price can, honestly, it can shoot all the way back up to like 19,400. So just gotta be careful. There we go. Okay, you got a buy signals here, so this is a good long entry right here. I need more confirmation as a trader, so I would need something else to change up, like the algo candles or the IVD or something. Man, would that come close to taking me out? Oof. Okay, this might be it. Let's see if it's a little bit too early. I don't like the way the volume there is showing bearish weakness right now. I don't like how this is doing that. So this is this area where I said I would look short, and I am. When you look down in the volume areas, which is these next two indicators underneath, I want to see a green with a red border, similar to what we saw like just before this red push. I would like to see something like that, just to give me a little more confidence to go in. Then hopefully these candles will go from green to purple, and that's an entry in. I'm going to lower my risk to 2 contracts. Actually, buy 2 contracts. I'll keep it at 3. See what's happening here. Bearish, bearish, bearish. Okay. Yep, looking short. Now, as we know from the past 2 days, we're gonna have to be patient at this time to see. Price likes to get a little choppy at this time. Let's see, is there any? Let's check the news. Let's check the news while we wait. In the Traders Hub by TopStep X. Let's see now. All right, so today we had some positive news, and then at 10:30 we have some red news, and then again at tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow's a pretty juicy day. Yeah, let's see about May 2nd. Not much. Okay. This is pretty cool. You get new market news live right here. ATR's at 21. Dom is starting to go, so that means participation is picking up. Orders are coming in. We got 1,000. Wow. Okay. Yeah, we got A lot of orders coming in. I want to check the TPO to see. All right, TPOs are still red at the moment, which is good if you're looking short. I want to keep my eye on that. This is right in the money zone. Let's see if it's going to stay or break down. Let's see. Let me know if you're watching. What would you do? Would you lock out? Would you trade for more? What's your mindset like? Here we go. This is a spot. This is a spot. 1, 2, 3. Okay. This would be it. No, I want to lessen my contracts a little more. Is it worth the risk? Is it worth the risk? Is it worth the risk? No. Yeah, so bulls stepped in. You can see right there on the pinpoint trigger system. See those blue dots on the bottom? That means you have a bullish action right now. Here come the bulls. Buy signal. Just give it another 5 minutes. All right. That was a good buy signal there. I'm not in it. I'm not in it right now because everything to me says bearish. I need more things to change over. Good news is if you're looking bullish, we're getting right back into that zone again. We did the opposite of yesterday. We peaked above it and then we went below it. Now we just peaked below it and now we're going above it. However, there is more room to the downside than the upside. So, at least, according to the 4-hour forecasting. anything that's going to be coming up. In that sticky situation where it's all right. If the algo candle switched to green, then I'm locking out for the rest of the day. That's at the bottom of the screen. Yeah, let me move it over. It doesn't move over price. Right now they're white. Excuse me. Oh, we got an exhaustive bullish push here. And they turned green. So what did I say? I said I'm locking out. So I'm locking out. I am done for today. Lock me out. All right. Beautiful. Beautiful trading day. What a way to stay to the process. All right, so let's see where we are at the end of today. So, again, we're making progress. 2 trades were held for 5 to 10 minutes. It's great. Let's see. This was the first day. This was today. All right, we're increasing our average. We went from 95 to 120. That was a good day. Win rates right now is 86. It's going to be high because I have a high TP1 rate. So this is right around where the average is. If it was 7 points, that would be even higher. But I'm stretching it out to like 10, 20. Now let's see. Best day was 375. That was today. We have we're up $700 today. We're getting close to breaking 1,000 in just 4 days. So think of it, right? This is what I was saying about the other day about the DoorDash of trading. You know, we had 100 and something, then boom, we hit a nice trade today. A nice trade that gave us good P&L, following the exact same process, being picky. And you see how it's starting to creep up little by little. To be honest, the biggest winner is the lockouts and just understanding that I just don't want to risk things. So that's where we are today. looking good. Right now we're at 701. Account balance is 706. So overall, a good day. Good day. We followed our plan. We took it short. Right now, that was a really good long. If anybody took it, congratulations. I'm looking short. I don't want to be here all day. Remember, the way I trade, I look to trade from the morning around 9:30ish. My most would be till 11, but I caught a good setup early. I took it. I'm happy. Take my money and trade tomorrow. So let's see if anybody's there first before we leave. Nope. So today was a day where it was all about Bears winning the day. So Bears won today. Nothing much else to say about that. Awesome day, man. Like, I'm very excited about how I traded today. Followed the process, was able to trail the trade nicely, took 50 points, didn't allow it to come all the way back up to 0. That's how I like to trade. We were close to 150 point trade to lock in 100, but you know what? I can't help that. That's what the market did. So for everybody out there, thank you so much. Don't forget to drop likes. I am now going from here to the Discord. So any members who are on, or if you're not members yet and you want to be members, click on the link, go to the Discord. I'm going to go there now. I'm going to break down in depth what I saw on the trade with all the indicators that we have. The ones that I don't show you on YouTube, I'm going to show you in the Discord. So please make sure you jump over there. And then be on the lookout for later today. I'm going to drop another post-trade session video that's going to go over my mindset on the trade and everything else like that. You know, it gives me time to decompress and really look things over. You can see, you know, the evidence is here. In just 3 days of doing this challenge, we're grinding away to our live account. So every day, just grind a little more. Come along, trade with me. Keep that grind, keep the mindset, and hopefully we can get there together. All right, everybody, thank you so much for coming to another live, and I will see everybody tomorrow, 9:20. Also, I'm gonna put this in Discord. What I'm gonna start doing, okay, at 9 o'clock, I'm gonna go into the Discord to do my pre-game analysis. Okay, this is a Discord exclusive. I'm not gonna do it anymore on YouTube. I'm gonna do it just on the Discord. So if you have access to the Discord and want to see the key levels and you want to see what I'm seeing and why, head over there, because I get to show things that I am not going to show on the YouTube. So you can see it, you can get planned, you can get ready, and then we'll have a lead trader in there for the open. So this way, if you have any questions, they'll be there to help you. And let's all grind and make money together. All right. So thank you, everybody. I'll see everybody in Discord, and take care.